Say hi from Cherish Math. In this section, I'm going to introduce about the unit conversion between radian to degree or from degrees to radian. This part is located in additional mathematics for the circular measure. Before we begin, I'm going to introduce that pi radian is going to be 180 degrees, and I'm going to apply this in the question of this conversion of the units. Let's pick up for the 1a here. Pi over 8 radian, that is a fraction out of the pi, which means pi over 8 out of the pi multiplied by 180 degrees. And the answer that I'm going to get here is going to be 22.5 degrees. And I'm going to work out for the part B here, which is this one. That is 3 over 4 pi as a fraction out of pi multiplied 180 degrees. And the answer that I'm going to get here is 135 degrees. Next, for the part 1c, I'm going to take up 0.5 radian out of the pi multiplied 180 degrees. This part stands for the fraction, and that fraction is out of the 180 degrees. The answer that I'm getting here is 28.65 degrees. I will have to change for this part 0.65 degrees into minutes. That would be 28 degrees is still remain in the form of degrees, while 0.65, that part is going to be 0.65 times 60 minutes, simply because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And this answer that I'm getting here is 28 degrees and 39 minutes. I'm now with 1D, and I'm using the similar method that I solved for the 1C. So now, for the 1D, this is 1.04 radian. 1.04 radian is a fraction of the 180 degrees, and 1.04 is out of pi radian times 180 degrees. This is equal to 59.59 degrees. And I'm going to convert this into the degrees a minute. And 59 for the front part here is going to remain 59 degrees. And next 0.59 I'm going to multiply by 60 minutes. So I'm getting here 35 minutes. And I solve it. Now I'm coming to the question number 2. Let me clean up the question number 1 in order to allocate more space. You can always look back to the question number 1 by sliding the movie. Now I'm coming to the question number 2a. Convert each of the following angles into radians in terms of pi. 18 degrees is out of 180 degrees. This is a fraction of the pi radian. That means I'm going to take 18 degrees out of 180 degrees. This serves as a fraction of the pi radian. So I have to multiply by pi, and the answer that I'm getting here is, I'm simplifying it, I'm going to get 1 out of 10 pi radian. For the part B, question number 2, 120 degrees out of 180 degrees multiplied by pi, and I'm getting here 2/3 pi radian. And for the rest, part C and the part D, the similar things happen, and I will just have to show you the answer. The same workings, you may have to try it yourself. And now for part C and D, here are the workings and answers. You may have to try it out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.